Good morning and welcome to day 26 of Ballet Cymru online tutorials. For those who still don't know me, my name is Maria and today I'm going to take you through some Rond de Jambes at barre. As always, please make sure to read our disclaimer, which you can find on all of our social media platforms and on our website. Also, before we start, make sure that the space around you is nice and clear, then you're not going to kick anybody or anything, that you have something stable to hold on, and that you're wearing some comfy clothes which you can move freely in. Let's start. Okay, we're going to start in 5th position or 3rd, whatever you prefer. And we're going to allonger during the preparation. And then chassé to the front, plie back, fondue, and rond de jambe. I will take 2 rond de jambes and 2 quarters rond de jambes, 1 rond de jambe to the back, and then 45 degrees rond to the back, enveloppé, développé, and 1 rond jeté. Close the back and repeat the whole thing. Chassé back, fondue to the front, fondue, rond de jambe, 2 rond de jambes, 2 quarters, rond de jambes, 1 full, 45 degrees, enveloppé, développé, and rond jeté. Bien. Finished. One last thing before we start. I've set arms, but you're free to do whatever you prefer. And at the end, I'm gonna let the music play and we'll take a balance in whatever position you prefer. I'm gonna ask my friend Alexa to play the music for us. And let's go. Alexa, play. Take your balance. And now, let's start on the other side. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed. And if you have any photos or videos, please send them to us and have a nice weekend. Bye bye and see you soon.